Okay, so the solution to this, we could go from the second derivative to the first derivative by integrating. So the thing I could take the derivative of to get sine x would be negative cosine x. The thing I could take the derivative of to get 2 would be 2x. And without more information, I need a plus c. But then it does tell me in the question, well, when you plug in 0 into the first derivative, it equals 3. So let's set the first derivative equal to 3. Plug in 0 for x. Plug in 0 for x. And that's enough to solve for c. So now I can be more specific about the first derivative. It's not just negative cosine x plus 2x plus c, it's plus 4.
So that's the general. Or no, that's the particular solution.
Well, it's no solution yet because it's still first derivative. Solution is going to be what y equals, not what y prime equals. So we got to do that process one more time.
I didn't agree with that.
I'm sorry, one more time?
Nothing.
Okay. So if we integrate the first derivative, we get all the way to the function, which is what is considered the solution. So the thing that I can take the derivative of to get negative cosine x would be negative sine x. X squared's derivative gives you 2x. 4x gives you 4. And then plus c. This would be the general solution. This is what the function is for some generic c. But they also tell us in the function, if you were to plug pi in, you should get 3 as an answer. So if you set y equals to 3, you plug in pi for this, plug in pi again, plug in pi again, then you should have enough information to solve for c. Looks like c would be 3 minus a pi squared minus a 4 pi. And so if we plug that in up here, our particular solution would be what the function is. But instead of saying plus c, we should actually put what c is. So 3 minus pi squared minus 4 pi. So kind of a messy looking c value, but it doesn't really change the approach at all. Integrate to go back from second derivative to first derivative. Plug in this instance to solve for c. Integrate first derivative to get to the function, which is your general solution. Plug in this specific information to get that particular solution. Okay, is that enough for 12? Anybody else want to ask about 12 while it's up?